So I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos and other types of files from your Galaxy A26 to a Windows computer without installing anything. So this is very simple. All you need is a Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box, or any data cable. It could even be a Type-C to Type-A, depending on the ports you have available on your laptop. So first things first, connect the cable, one end of the cable to your laptop or PC, and the other end of that cable to your Galaxy A26. Now once you connect, of course, it's going to start charging. But more importantly, you want to go into your phone, swipe down, and then you should see USB for charging. So let me just make sure you can see this clearly. You can see USB for charging phone. Now if you tap here, you can see you have other options. Choose USB for transferring files / Android Auto. You might need to give your password, and then when it's reading transferring files / Android Auto, then that means you'll be able to copy files and folders. So once that happens, you should now be able to go to your computer's file explorer, go to this PC, and you should see your Galaxy device appear there among devices. So you double click on that, and then you can see the internal storage. You can even see the SD card, which I've put inside that phone from right here. So mostly for most people, that's going to be the internal storage. And here you can access files from any folder. So for instance, if you want photos and videos, you go into the DCIM folder. You can see your screen recordings, your screenshot, your camera photos and videos. They're all going to be here, and you can copy any, or you can even select more than one. So for instance, you can just hold Control, copy a couple of photos and videos, right click, select copy, and then go to anywhere on your computer, and you can paste those files right there. Simple as that. You can see they've been pasted here. So that is basically how to transfer files, including photos and videos, from your Galaxy A26 to a Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and good luck.